Fancy that. Tell you what. I did that.
So we're here in the Belgian Grand Prix. It's been roughly about 4 hours since the end of the race, and now it comes the arduous task of actually packing everything up, shipping it all over back to Monza. So all the equipment that we have here in the garage, including all the panelling that you've seen, is all broken down. Trolleys are disassembled, cars are obviously disassembled and packed away, so everything can be fit into the flight cases or the trucks, obviously, which are smaller, only for us to then rebuild them when we get back to the other end.
Hopefully in 45 minutes from now we're going to get that first trailer out, which will be the first big thing that we're going to do. So when the race started, all of our guys got in here and we started to do a soft D-rig on the top floor, in between guests being there. And as soon as the race was finished, the guys got up there and we started full on. We're being held up by other things happening and trucks coming in and out. Ours is about an 18-hour D-rig and we'll be lucky to be out of here by midday tomorrow. So that's our target.
At the moment the time is 7:05. We left Spa at 11:15 last night. We're 600 kilometres in. We've just stopped over for a cup of coffee and a quick bite to eat. Now we legally have to swap over drivers, so Ryan's done his bit. I'm just going to take over now and take us a little bit further down the road. So Spa to Monza, we've got 4 different countries. We start off with obviously in Belgium, we drive down through Luxembourg, through down into France, then we'll go down through the Frejus tunnel into Italy. It's about 16-17 hour trip drive time, so we're a little bit tight on time. We can drive for a little bit longer, but you never know what the traffic's going to be like. It's quite a straightforward journey, nothing really too challenging, hopefully, because we don't like surprises and stuff like that, so as long as it should be fairly straightforward.
We're now coming to the end of France. We're about to cross over to Italy through Tunnel Frejus. We're due to get to Monza circuit at about 1600, 4 o'clock. Things to look out for, just get there on time, make sure everything's brought there carefully. We've got 2 cars in the back, so obviously they need to be there in one piece, ready for Sunday's race. So now we're going to go through Tunnel Frejus and go to the Monza circuit in Italy.
Here we are, we're in Monza, we've arrived safe and sound, everything is where it should be. It's now 4:15 in the afternoon, beautiful afternoon, it's absolutely scorching down here. Now the task in hand is just give the truck a complete wash from front to back, top to bottom by hand. and then it'll be a case of just parking up in the pit lane, ready for the guys to unload when they get here. All went smooth as planned, arrived on time. No problems at all, really. Good job, well done.